Astronomers have discovered a superhighway in the solar system, and by using this we can reach to other planets very quickly and in a very efficient way too. Now, how did they discover this superhighway? Which planet's gravity do we have to use in this? And to what extent will this reduce the time of interplanetary travel? Let's find out, because you guys are watching The Terrestrial Tech. If we talk about the whole cosmos, then we live in a minuscule place which we call Earth. And everything in the universe is so far away that if we look at our nearest star, then it is at a distance of 4.3 light years away from us. You can also get a hold of this by the fact that even though Moon seems close to us, but the distance between us is so huge that we can fit every single planet in our solar system between Earth and Moon. Well, we humans are a growing civilization. Therefore, before traveling to other stars, we will have to go and study our neighboring planets first, which are present in our own solar system. But doing that is not so simple because of the vast distance between each planets. Even with the best rockets we have today, if we talk about going and traveling to each of them, it will take a lot of time to travel from one point to another. Astronomers have been engaged for many years to solve this problem, and finally it seems that a very good solution for this has been discovered, which is the solar system's own pre-designed superhighway. It is being called superhighway because by using this path from Jupiter, it will take only 10 years for us to reach to planet Neptune, which is the farthest planet from us. This is an invisible structure that is formed due to the interaction of gravitational forces of different planets present in the solar system. Finding these invisible structures were never an easy task, but astronomers used data recorded from observations and simulations along with tracing paths of different objects, specifically comets and asteroids in the solar system. And it came to the light that this superhighway is made up from the lot of invisible arches, which is known as space manifold. For this discovery, astronomers prepared numerical data of millions of orbits in solar system and calculated how these orbits fit with manifolds, in which manifolds of all 7 planets from Venus to Neptune were considered. After studying all this, it was found that the best arch that is being formed is linked to the Jupiter. Then it was seen that some particles which were on the collision course with Jupiter acquired an escape orbit instead of colliding with it, some of which reached Uranus and Neptune in 40 years, and among them the fastest particle reached within the 10 years of time to the Neptune. Well, Jupiter's this big influence is no surprise to us because it's the second most massive object in the entire solar system after the Sun, and hence its gravitational effect on the objects is also so great, and we can use this in our own advantage. From this discovery, we will be also able to determine how the comets and asteroids move in inner solar system and which of them can pose a threat to Earth in near future. Now, whether we talk about going to Titan or to Europa, this superhighway can be greatly benefited in the coming time. What do you think about this superhighway of solar system? Do tell us your thoughts down in comment section. That's all for today. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you guys in next video.